guys, hope you're doing really well. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Helen and welcome to a new video. Last video was so inspired to create, to spread all these quotes around the world. I think sometimes we need all these positive affirmations in our lives. And for the following project, I have a lot of ideas in my mind. Then I realized that Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and then I was like, oh no, what to do? Okay, let's be in romantic mode and let's bring all the cool ideas. Maybe some hearts, why not? Yeah. Oh wait, I think I done a lot. Like these ones, I think they were my first Valentine's rocks, by the way. Then I tried to make this one that is like a combination of a mandala. Then I make, oh, by the way, I have these two tutorials. They are related to Valentine's Day. You will love them. Then I wanted to become a pro, making these beautiful rocks based on the Peruvian embroidery. By the way, I'm Peruvian if you don't know. So then I was like, why not create more Peruvian rocks, more rocks related to my Peruvian culture. Then I realized I ran out of my heart-shaped rocks. And I was like, oh no. And then I decided to create these lovely ladybugs. They're very nice, by the way, and most of them are already sold out. But I still have some, like maybe 4 or 5. And then I was like, maybe I need to do something else than ladybugs. So at the end I came up with a new idea, so let's go and watch it. For this DIY, I'm supposed to have heart-shaped rocks, but I only have these 2 rocks that I will try my best to make a heart fit. And on this oval, I will try to make a huge quote and decorate it with some flowers around. You will see. hope you like this idea. It's a very super easy idea. I think we can say now that it's a meaningful gift. Actually, it's a meaningful handmade gift made with so much love. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumb up, comment below, share the video with your friends on your social media, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for notifications. Have an amazing Valentine's Day with your beloved ones, and see you on my next video.